Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adi Herianto from class MNG 23C with NPM 234-11014. So in here I will explain about statistical estimation theory, a complete overview. Introduction. Statistical estimation theory is a branch of statistics that focuses on using data to estimate unknown parameters of a population. Estimation methods are crucial in data analysis as they help to infer characteristics about a population based on a sample. These methods are widely used in various fields such as economics, engineering, social science, and medical research. Types of estimation. Number one, point estimation involves estimating an unknown parameter with single value called the estimator. Example, estimating the population mean by the sample mean. Interval estimation provides a range of values within which the true population parameters is likely to lie with a certain level of confidence. Example, constructing a confidence interval for the population mean. Number two, interval estimation provides a range of values within which the true population parameter is likely to lie with a certain level of confidence. Example, constructing a confidence interval for the population mean. Properties of an estimator. Properties of an estimator. An estimator is a function of the sample data used to estimate an unknown population parameter. For an estimator to be effective, it must possess several key properties. Number one, unbiasedness. An estimator is unbiased if its expected value is equal to the true value of the parameter. Example, the sample mean is an unbiased of the population mean. Number two, consistency. An estimator is consistent if as the sample size increase to converge to the true value of the parameter. Example, the sample mean is consistent for estimating the population mean as the sample size grows. Number three, efficiency. An estimator is efficient if it has the smallest possible variance among all unbiased estimators. Example, the sample mean is the most efficient estimator for the population mean in the case of normally distributed data. Number four, sufficiency. An estimator is sufficient if it uses all the information available in the data to estimate the parameter. Example, the sample mean is a sufficient estimator of the population mean for normally distributed data. Common estimation methods. Number one, maximum likelihood estimation or MLE, a method of estimating the parameters of a statistical model by maximizing the likelihood function. The likelihood function represents the probability of observing the given data as a function of the unknown parameter. Example, estimating the mean and variance of a normal distribution using MLE. Number two, method of moments. involves equating sample moments, e.g. sample mean variance, to population moments to derive estimators. Example, using the sample mean and variance to estimate the population mean and variance. Number 3, least squares estimation or LSE, a method used in regression analysis to estimate the parameters of a model by minimizing the sum of squared difference between observed and predict values. Example, estimating the slope and intercept in a simple linear regression model. Confidence intervals. A confidence interval or CE is a range of value used to estimate a population parameter with a specific level of confidence, e.g. 95%. The confidence interval gives an idea of how precise an estimate is. Hypothesis testing and estimation. Statistical estimation is often used in conjunction with hypothesis testing to draw conclusions about population parameters. The estimation process provides a point estimate or confidence interval, while hypothesis testing assesses whether a specific hypothesis about the parameter is supported by the data. Application of statistical estimation. Economic and finance, estimating economic parameters such as inflation rates or stock market returns. Medical research, estimating the effectiveness of treatments or investigation in clinical trials. 3. Quality control, estimating product quality metrics based on sample data. Number 4. Engineering, estimating reliability parameters in system and components. In statistical estimation theory, various methods and theories are employed to estimate population parameters based on sample data. Here are the main types of estimation theories. 1. Point estimation. Definition. Point estimation is the process of estimating a population parameter using a single value, the estimator. It provides a best guess for the parameter based on sample data. Example, using the sample mean X as a point estimate for the population mean P. Number 2, interval estimation. Definition. Interval estimation provides a range of values, called a confidence interval, within which the true population parameter is likely to lie with a specified level of confidence. Example, constructing a 95% confidence interval for the population mean. The interval represents the range within which we are 95% confident the true parameter lies. Number 3, maximum likelihood estimate MLE. Definition. MLE is a method of estimating the parameters of a statistical model by maximizing the likelihood function, which represents the probability of observing the given data under specific parameter values. Example, estimating in the mean and variance of a normal distribution using the MLE method. Number 4, method of moments. Definition. In the method of moments, sample moments, such as the sample mean and variance, are equate to the corresponding population moments to derive estimators for the population parameters. Example, using the sample mean and sample variance to estimate the population mean and variance. Number 5. Least Squares Estimation or LSE. Definition: LSE is a method used in regression analysis to estimate model parameters by minimizing the sum of square difference between observed and predicted values. Example, in simple linear regression, the slope and intercept are estimated using the least squares method to minimize the error between observed and predict values. Number 6. Unbiased estimation. Definition: an estimator is said to be unbiased if its expected value is equal to the true value of the parameter being estimated. Example, the sample mean X is an unbiased estimator for the population mean P. Number 7. Consistent estimation. Definition: an estimator is consistent if as the sample size increase it converts its improbability to the true value of the parameter. Example, the sample mean is a consistent estimator for the population mean as the sample size increase. Number 8. Efficient estimation. Definition: an estimator is said to be efficient if it has the smallest variance among all unbiased estimators of the parameter. Example, the sample mean is an efficient estimator for the population mean in the case of normally distributed data. Number 9. Sufficiency in estimation. Definition: an estimator is sufficient if it contains all the information available in the sample about the parameter being estimated. Example, in the case of a normal distribution, the sample mean is a sufficient estimator of the population mean. Number 10. Bayesian estimation. Definition: Bayesian estimation use Bayes' theorem to estimate parameters by incorporating prior knowledge and updating belief based on observed data. Example, using prior distribution and likelihood functions to estimate parameters in a Bayesian framework. Conclusion: statistical estimation theory plays a crucial role in making inference about population parameters based on sample data. Various estimation methods, such as point estimation, interval estimation, maximum likelihood estimation or MLE, method of moments, and least squares estimation or LSE, provide different approaches to estimate unknown parameters with varying degrees of precision and confidence. Point estimation gives a single value, while interval estimation provides a range of values, often in the form of a confidence interval. To estimate parameters with a specific level of certainty, MLE maximizes the likelihood function to find the most probable parameter values, while the method of moments equates sample moments to population moments. LSE, commonly used in regression analysis, minimizes the sum of squared errors to estimate parameters. Properties of good estimators include unbiasedness, consistency, efficiency, and sufficiency. which is ensure that estimators provide accurate, reliable, and optimal, incorporates prior knowledge, and updates estimates as new data is observed. Overall, understanding these estimation methods helps statisticians draw valid conclusions and make decisions based on sample data, contributing to fields like economic, healthcare, and engineering.